Hi, my name is Jake Donaldson, and today I'll be presenting on how car tyre industry applies logistical concepts to the production of tyres. Tyres, a product that we are all too familiar with. Tyres entered the world in 1845 when the Scottish inventor Robert Thomson designed the first ever tyre. From there, the tyre has fast become the most used product in the transport industry. With a high demand for the tyres around the world, the industry had to adapt to put in place a supply chain that could match the demand for tyres, as well as adapt to new tyre technology. A car tyre supply chain has a range of components before we reach the end product of a roadworthy tyre. First step is the raw materials and components that go into producing the tyre. Car tyres are mainly made up by the raw material of rubber. Rubber trees are mainly found in South America, thus demonstrating how globalized the industry has become. Another component is black carbon. This forms the tread on the tyres, which forms by burning crude oil and natural gas. The other materials that form the tyre are steel and aluminium fibres, which are there to strengthen the tyre. Once all the components are ready, companies like Bridgestone and Pirelli take the next step by designing tyres and produce the tyres in factories right across the world. These companies not only produce and design the tyres but also sell directly to the consumer. This is a supply chain that follows the continuous supply chain model. With car tyres having a high demand and stable market across all societies of the world, this type of model suits the industry. With Bridgestone and other companies designing, producing, and selling the tyres, the supply chain is small from raw materials to the end product, with one company covering so many of the steps. With the continuous supply chain model in effect, the high service level and quality levels are assured to be met, which is crucial to the industry with such high demand. With tyres being a product that is used around the world, the company is now making over 3 billion tyres per year. The need for information and information systems is crucial for companies to develop tyres that will best suit the geographic needs that people face in different countries. The type of management information system that the industry uses is the Exclusive Information System, the EIS. The system converts transaction progress in information by taking the data of sales and converting it into information that allows companies to view which tyres designs are best selling in areas. This is crucial to help the companies change the supply of certain tyre designs. Example of this is Russia and Australia. Russia's best-selling tyres are the winter tyres, which are softer and have more slits in the tread to cope with the icy conditions, while Australia have a greater sale in summer tyres due to the hot weather, with the tyre being better suited to not overheat. Without the EIS system, companies in the industry would not have the ability to see and adjust their production line to meet the demand of the product. Obviously, every industry faces challenges as the world evolves. This is no different for the tyre industry. With the push for environmental awareness and changes, the tyre industry must evolve the supply chain and production methods to keep up with society's views. The industry is looking at alternative methods to produce tyres. Currently, the industry is looking at using recycled tyres and rubber to be used again, thus limiting waste and minimizing the need to take from natural resources. Sticking with the environmental factor, the industry must look at finding a different method to form the tread material by moving away from using black carbon if they hope to keep with modern society's views. Another challenge is for the industry is the battle between companies to improve mileage in the tyres and new designs to eliminate the possibility of tyres going flat. Ideas such as solid rubber tyres and simple slab of plastic to protect the inside layer of the tyre. Whatever the challenge is, the industry has the best chance of facing it, the technology development making it easier and easier for the industry to see potential problems and effectively improve the supply of tyres.